Have you ever sat outside and looked up in the sky and just watched the clouds go by? Did you ever look at them and think, man, sometimes clouds look different? Did you know that there are at least 10 different kinds of clouds? Today, I'm going to tell you about 4 of those different kinds. They're clouds that you see every day, but you might not know that they're different. The first kind of cloud is called cumulus. Cumulus clouds are clouds that are big and puffy and look kind of like cotton balls or cotton candy. These clouds usually are in the sky on a sunny day when it's pretty warm outside, and they're very pretty to look at. Another kind of cloud is called a stratus cloud. Now, stratus clouds are the clouds that you see when it's all gray outside and the sky's just kind of full of clouds. It might drizzle a little bit or rain just a little bit. Not heavy rain, just a light rain. But on those gray and kind of cold or dreary days, those are the stratus clouds that you see in the sky. Another cloud that you might see are cirrus clouds. Now, cirrus clouds are kind of thin and wispy. They're usually out when it's a little bit cooler, but the sun's out too. One more type of cloud that I'm going to tell you about are cumulonimbus clouds. It's a big, long, funny word, isn't it? Cumulonimbus. Now, cumulonimbus clouds are the clouds that come when there's going to be a big storm. They're big, puffy, and heavy. They're kind of dark a little bit. When you see these, you know that there's probably going to be a very heavy rainfall. I think looking at clouds is really fun. And next time you look in the sky, look at the different kinds of clouds that you see. Are they big, white, puffy clouds? Are they clouds that cover the whole sky and are just kind of gray? Or are they big thunderstorm clouds like the cumulonimbus clouds? Are there other kind of clouds that you notice? I wonder what you'll see. I actually have an experiment that's going to help us understand how rain clouds work. So let's go over to the table and do that now.
So today, since we're talking about clouds, I thought it would be fun to do a little science experiment to see how clouds worked. So what we're going to do is we're going to pretend that this paper towel is a cloud, and the water that I have in this dropper is rain, or water in the sky. And inside the jar, we're going to pretend is the earth. So, when a cloud starts filling up with water, you see that it doesn't start raining right away. So clouds are filled with water, but that doesn't mean it's going to rain. As the cloud gets more and more full of water, you'll notice that it gets darker and darker. And as it gets darker and darker, then it starts to rain. It no longer can hold all of the water in it. And that's when you start to see rain. Pretty cool, huh? So when a cloud gets more and more full of water, it no longer can hold that water, so it starts to rain.